Then, so these are the rules obtaining images by a concave mirror. Then what about the convex mirror? If we consider a convex mirror, so how these are formed, and let us check once. These are concave completed. Then, in case of convex mirror, in case of convex mirror, convex mirror, convex mirror, for convex mirror, for convex mirror, rule 1, rule 1, rule 1. What is, if the parallel are right rays are parallel to the principal axis. So a convex mirror, principal axis, this is the pole, light rays are incident parallelly, so what will happen, they reflect like this, so when we extend these light rays, they passes through focus, so as we know, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So the reflected rays, the reflected rays are diverge, appearing as diverging from the focus, That means, in case of concave mirror, if these rays are parallel, after reflection, they converge at the focus. This is applicable for concave. While in case of convex, they appear as they are diverging. Diverging, diverging from other side. They are diverging from other. Okay, then rule 2. Rule 2. Rule 2. This is convex mirror. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. Rule 2. Light passing through focus. The light passing through focus. So, convex mirror, principal axis, pole, right? If it is the focus, we know already discussed in which side the focus, focus is found in case of convex mirror. So light is incident here. The light ray incident like this. What will happen? It passes through focus. Light passes through focus. After that, what will happen? It parallel to the principal axis. So if it is the light ray, is passing, it reflected like this. Right. Then rule 3. If center of curvature. So convex mirror, center of curvature here. Center of curvature is here. If the light ray, is rule 3. Rule 3. Convex mirror. Principal axis, if it is focus, if it is the center of curvature. If the light ray incident like this, what will happen? It reflected like this. It reflected like the same way only. Then rule 4. Rule 4, passing through center of curvature, then making some angle with pole, convex mirror, convex mirror, principal axis is the pole. This is the pole. Then what will happen? Here P, here F, here C. F, F and C. If the light ray incident by making some angle like this, what will happen? It reflected like, it is reflected like this. Because convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Right? These are the rules. Right? These are the rules. These are the rules for rules for obtaining images formed by a convex mirror. Concave mirror enough, convex mirror, diverging mirror. So it is easy to understand. It is easy to understand. Right. So, right, if it is the convex mirror, the light incident making some angle with the principal pole, it reflected some angle. So, rule 3, as we know, center of curvature, through center of curvature, no deviation takes place, reflected same direction. Side by side I am telling you. So rules for obtaining images by concave mirror, these all, right? Rules for obtaining images for convex mirror, these all, right? Difference you have to know. Rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and rule 4. Rule 2, rule 1, rule 3 and rule 4. Observe them and compare them. These 4 compare with uh, rules obtaining images formed by a concave mirror. So that's why I did not rub the board, because easy to understand. So practicing diagrams are the very important. So do practice the ray diagrams. You must be draw the correct principal axis, correct aperture of the mirror, everything. So use scale or pencil, your compass. Then you should identify very clearly center of curvature, focus, principal axis, everything. Otherwise, the diagrams will be not correct. Then there is a chance of losing marks in examinations. So practice the diagrams. Ray diagrams are the very important. The diagrams are very important. The terms, the points also very important.